Serbia's air defense just reached a new level of strength with the full integration of the Chinese-made Fk-3 missile system into its military forces. This advanced system is now fully operational and ready to defend the country's airspace from a wide range of airborne threats, including high-speed jets, drones, and even cruise missiles. With the Fk-3 in place, Serbia is better equipped than ever to protect its vital infrastructure, military assets, and sovereignty from aerial attacks. The acquisition of the Fk-3 missile system was part of a strategic agreement signed in 2019, marking a significant step towards modernizing Serbia's air defense capabilities. This deal, finalized in December 2019, has also strengthened the growing military partnership between Serbia and China. As the global security landscape continues to evolve, Serbia's decision to enhance its military through this collaboration reflects a forward-thinking approach to defense. The Fk-3 is a long-range, multi-layered air defense system, designed to engage a variety of airborne threats. It includes integrated components such as command centers, radar systems, mobile missile launchers, and logistics vehicles for mobility in the field. The system is highly maneuverable, capable of responding swiftly to threats at various altitudes and speeds, whether it's low-flying drones or fast-moving missiles. With an engagement range of up to 100 kilometers and an altitude capability of 27 kilometers, the Fk-3 can intercept targets moving at speeds of up to 1,000 meters per second, making it especially effective against modern threats like cruise missiles. Serbia has been rigorously training its military personnel to operate the Fk-3, ensuring that the 250th Air Defense Missile Brigade is fully prepared for real-world scenarios. This training includes field exercises and performance evaluations, guaranteeing that the system is always ready for action. The Fk-3's exceptional fire control capabilities allow it to engage multiple targets simultaneously, a key advantage in situations where many threats need to be neutralized at once. The Fk-3 missile system is crucial to Serbia's national security, especially in light of regional security challenges. Its advanced technology provides comprehensive protection for critical infrastructure, military forces, and national sovereignty, ensuring that Serbia can respond effectively to any aerial threat. This missile system is part of a broader effort by Serbia to modernize its air defense infrastructure. With the Fk-3 now operational, Serbia is not only enhancing its military capabilities, but also reinforcing its position as a key player in regional security. The cooperation with China in defense technology marks a shift in global defense alliances, signaling a new era in Serbia's military strategy. With the Fk-3, Serbia's air defense capabilities are stronger than ever, ensuring that the country is well prepared to face modern aerial threats. As training continues and operational readiness evolves, Serbia's military will be more capable of defending its vital assets and airspace, securing its sovereignty for the future.